Dave here with some news about golf cart chargers for 48-volt club car vehicles. I'll explain more in a second, but to get straight to the point, the Lynx-style charger is being discontinued. And we're here to wish it a happy, long overdue retirement. We'll tell the kids that it went to a farm upstate. Heavy, fan-cooled, vented chargers like this model have been out of production for E-Z-GOs, Yamahas, and even 36-volt club cars for some time in favor of this type of solid-state, more efficient, lightweight charger called Summit 2. Until 2014, though, 48-volt club cars had a computer on board that controls the function of the old-style charger with no control board inside. But the factories that make these chargers are ceasing production. No worries, Golf Cart Garage isn't stuck in the past with this charger. We've got you covered. If you have a newer club car, you're all set to go ahead and plug this one right in. If yours is older and has an OBC-controlled charging system, this charger can be plugged in with a bypass or installed on board. You can find links to this charger on our site, complete with installation videos, in the video description. It won't be long before this one just isn't available anymore, like trying to find a phone booth or a new car with a CD player. You could try repairs or search for a used one, or you can let Golf Cart Garage walk you through this paradigm shift: faster, more efficient charging with storage mode, a 4-year warranty, and even an app for your phone. It's like the Terminator of chargers, minus the whole trying to take over the world thing. So really, it's more like T2. Hey, is that why they named it Summit 2? Either way, here's some more good news. If you have questions or need diagnosis, parts, or anything else for your cart, you can just get in touch. Stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. And while you're here, give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching GCGTV.